Well, eggo Thomas.
What?
Remember?
Oh yeah. Hey, gamers. This is IKEA. It's a cool place.
Yeah, IKEA is a very cool place. Yeah, it's super big and is mainly consisted of furniture.
Yeah, it's very easy to get lost.
Yep.
Something cool about IKEA.
Yeah.
See this?
Mhm.
There are shortcuts to different regions of the store.
Yeah, that's how big the store is. So I haven't been in IKEA in like a year. We usually go to IKEA because it's fun. And
This is definitely a real phone right here.
wow, this is definitely a real phone. Ooh. This is a sneak peek of the new iPhone 16 coming out in 2024. Wow, awesome! I'm definitely gonna get this.
Check this out. Also, I think these are new to these search screen things.
Yeah, let's check it out. What are you looking for today? Desk, dresser, couch. All right, let me Cowlax. I don't even know what that is. All right, here we go. I'm gonna searching for Ohio. Wait. Stuff from Morbinville. Thomas, look. I'm gonna search up stuff from Morbinville. Oh no! We couldn't find a single match for stuff from Morbinville. Ooh, but at least there's this baby chair.
Yeah.
That's okay. Wait, let me search up an actual thing. I'm looking for a gaming chair because I'm asking for one for Christmas. I want to find a cool gaming chair. Yep. Oh.
These aren't really that good gaming chairs.
Yeah, I want an actual comfortable gaming chair.
Yeah.
Yep, we're in the Orlando location since we live in Florida, and it's open until 9 p.m. So that's cool. Oh, there's also this. A complete dining room for under $600. That's cool. $590.93. Did someone actually order that? Ooh. Ooh, oh, no, I don't want to show my face.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, downstairs there's just like little like kids place for like the kids to hang out while the adults are shopping called Smallland. And I saw a glimpse inside. There were some kids playing, and the TV was playing the Lion King, not the remake, the original animated 1994 one.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is cool. That's also cool. A nice Your Mom special from Shake Shack. Oh God, I'm showing myself. Ooh. Wow. These are some cute animals. Look at these books. Wow. This is definitely a cool setup. Ooh, there's even this like DVD player.
Yeah.
Wait, is this the TV? It doesn't look like one. It looks like a painting.
I think it's just supposed to be an ad.
Oh, skip the line and save time. Of course it's an ad. Duh. Ooh, that's a nice computer. It's definitely not in good condition because
It's fake.
it's fake and there's missing keys.
See, E-prop laptop. Look at that.
E-prop laptop. That's cool. Thomas, please don't. We'll get in big trouble if you actually do that.
I think it'd be fine. People are ripped off the keys.
Yeah. Ooh. Want to sit on one of these couches, Eggo Thomas?
Hold on. Let's read, shall we?
Yeah.
Varsagod Oklas. This is my favorite book ever, man. You know?
Cool.
Here we go. Page 128. Han Lomnar Stuckatet Slar in pa in av de manga creatures stigar som vindlar sig mot ogad raka rebbergen.
Oh my God, that was the best book ever. That should
Thank
definitely
you.
win an award.
Thank you. I try my best. I think that was like German or something.
Yeah, I think it's German, but I don't know. That book is only available at participating IKEAs, Olive Gardens, and your local German restaurant. While supplies last, of course.
I mean, it kind of works, but you could just sit and use your laptop like this. You don't need to have this.
Yeah, I mean, why do you have to anyway?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna go over here.
How much is this?
Uh,
It doesn't matter.
yeah, it doesn't matter. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, cool. We have a couple DVD players. We have one from Philips. We have one from DVD. I mean, it's actual DVD, but ooh.
This one says, Lars Sabi Christian Mascross Familjen. You know what? Actually, this might even be like some Swedish or something, because this is a Swedish store.
Yep, it's Swedish. Oh, that's a giant TV.
Time to perfect my hacking skills.
Ooh, Thomas, are you gonna play? Are you gonna play?
World of Warcraft.
Cool. Oh my God, you're the best World of Warcraft player ever.
This is an actual mouse, so this is a actual mouse.
That's cool. Ooh,
TUF. I always forget what it stands for, but it's an actual mouse.
we also have actual cases.
For what? Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, they're just like cheap cases.
Imagine there's like DVDs not actual.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh.
Something tells me a monitor is not supposed to be this light.
Wait. Yeah, it's definitely not this light.
Whoa, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so light. Ooh, let's see if this DVD player is light as well. Yep, it's kind of heavy, but it's kind of light. But I don't know. It's a mix of both.
There's a skateboard over here.
Cool. They also have some shoes on the rack.
They sell them? Are they actually selling the skateboard? No,
I don't know. What do they have here? There's more than one way to pay. Heck yeah, there's more than one way to pay.
Never mind, it was just for the shelf.
Okay.
It was over.
Alright. Ooh, a fridge. Oh, I'm so hot. Ooh, we have this. Also some kind of like drink, like cranberry drink.
Oh god. Oh, blueberry drink. Okay. Actual working. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, what's in the freezer? Ooh, they have some meatballs, they have some other foods.
Oh wow.
They even have cinnamon rolls,
Crepes.
they have crepes, they have waffles.
They're all empty though.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame. They even have the sink. Oh man, no water. What about this soap bottle? Oh man. Ooh, they even have these like jars. They have jars of nuts, almonds, or coffee beans, Cheerios, this stuff. What's in the cabinets? Nah. They even have wine bottles. That's cool. They even have a stove, complete with a pot. Ooh, they even have octopuses. I mean octopi. Cool. Ooh, look at this TV. They having this like cool gaming setup. Hey Thomas, watch me. I'm gonna ace and I'm gonna win a Call of Duty Warzone match. Just watch.
It's actual aces.
That's cool.
It's crazy. It's an actual.
It sounds like it says sus. Yes! Yes! I won! I won my first Warzone match! To be clear, guys, I never played Warzone. Oh, look at this bed.
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, shower. We have a bathroom. We have a sink again. We have soap. And they even have a shower. Cool. Man, cube. Ooh, they even have a barbecue grill. They even have a fridge complete with a nice and water machine. Do they have anything in here? Oh man! They even have this and that. Look, they even have a stove, or I mean, not a stove, an oven. Beep. Set for beep 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 beep. 2045. Ooh, popcorn, 2 minutes. Cool microwave. Come on, Thomas, let's keep going. Ooh. Cool. You even have another microwave and another oven. Ooh, cool. Hey Thomas, look. They even have a PS4. It's super light though. Where's the controller? I want to play on this. Oh, that sucks. Whoa, look at this.
This guy's an audio technician.
I'm gonna be the best music maker ever.
Wait, I gotta do this.
Okay.
These are some audio files. Oh man, I can't listen.
controller. Oh.
Oh, this is so cute. I like the setup.
Ooh, gnomes. Shark! Shaq! Hi, I'm Shaq. I'm gonna sing my favorite song. Baby. Okay, not this. Borrow a shopping bag? No thanks, I'll pass. Oh, Tom, I just realized tomorrow is Call of Duty's 20th anniversary. We should celebrate by doing a Call of Duty video. There's the kids hanging out. Because sometimes you just don't have the time. Ask us about our picking delivery service or visit ikea.us/services. Okay. Let's go this way. Ooh, this is a very early bedroom, complete with a very large TV. Ooh, what's in the closet? Aw, man, it's fake. Imagine opening a closet and seeing a monster jump out. That would scare the crap out of me. Cool. Ooh. Slick setup. Whoa. That's so cool. I am the best pilot ever. Ah! There's even a hand. High five. There's even a turtle here. That's cool.
It's like a couch. It's like my whole bed.
Yeah, it's much worse. But you said you don't like the doors.
That's a really thin computer tower. That's a pain in the ass.
Ooh, there's even a husky. There's even a whale. Wow. Yeah? Oh, there's our beautiful mom.
Shut up here, buddy.
Okay.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe because you guys are cool. Subscribe if you want to be awesome. And also subscribe if you want more amazing, outstanding, nutritious, and delicious content. Subscribe to me, just your average gamer X. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to lounge around and enjoy my time at IKEA.
Well, I guess that does it. see you later. Goodbye.
You're supposed